In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix mobile data not working on iPhone. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this. So the first thing you want to go ahead and do is swipe down on the top right of your screen. Make sure your mobile data is turned on. As you can see, mine's on, but mine's still using Wi-Fi. So what I want to go ahead and do is basically on your iPhone, Wi-Fi is prioritized over your mobile data. So what you want to do is turn off your Wi-Fi, and then your mobile data will then be on, and then it should be working just as such. Now, if it still doesn't work, then what you want to do is turn on airplane mode, then wait about 15 seconds for it to reset your entire network on your iPhone. After 15 seconds, go ahead and turn off airplane mode, and then try and use your mobile data again and see if that works for you. After that, you should be good to go. And if you want to, you can also eject your SIM, reinsert it into your phone, and see if that works too. And yeah, it's literally as simple as that. There is nothing else to it. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.